Hi, second graders. Today we talked about the term expanded form, and that is when you have a number that you then stretch out to make the equation for that number. So let me show you how to do this. So I stretched out the page to make the expanded form of this number 341, and we're going to stretch it out to do 300 plus 40 plus 1. So what you're going to do is you'll notice that the paper has to be folded just so. So we have to fold it like an accordion, and so you'll be able to stretch that out. I'm going to take a new piece of paper, and so you'll be able to do it from scratch with me. So I have a new piece of paper, and I have this fatter edge on this side. And then what I'm going to do is, the first part I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this dot, and maybe the second hole, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to fold this on the line down. So we're going to fold it pick a line and fold it down. It's nice to make a straight line. So you're folding it in. So we're going to go fold it in, and then we're going to open it back up. So you should have just one fold on your paper. That's fold number 1. And so this one I folded in, and then the next one, I'm going to kind of fold the paper inside into itself and fold it again. So I'm going to make a second fold. So I'm going to fold it in. So you see how I did that? I folded it. I made one. So I folded this one in, and now the direction of the fold has to go the other way. So we're going to fold it down. And then I need to do that one more time. So now I have one fold that goes this direction, and the next fold goes the opposite direction. So if you need to pause the video, you can do that. And we need to do the same thing again, because now we have space for the hundreds. And then this will be where the tens is. And we're going to need to make a third column for the ones. Exactly. And then I'm going to go, so this one went down. The next fold has to go up. So it goes up, and then the next fold has to go the opposite direction. So you need enough space for the tens to build your 10 number. And then you're going to fold it along the line. So you should have 1, 2, 3. So you'll see, let's count. So we have one that folds up, the next one folds the direction, down, up, and down. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns. And if you look at it from the top, you'll see that accordion look. Then then keep it folded like this so that you can write your number here. And remember, each number, so when we can stretch it out, has to be able to be seen. So you're the first one, you're going to write on this in this column. And then the second one, you're going to write in this column, and the third. So let's make a new number. I'm going to make the number 1, 2, 23. So each one is on their own bump. So you would put it here, 123, 123. So now you got to make sure that you won't be able to see. I'm going to do 100 on the first one. So you cannot see the 100. So 100. And then you got to make sure you put the second part of that number where you cannot see it when you open up. See how I had to make sure I might have to leave a little bit more space so I don't see it when it's folded. So 100 plus 20 plus 3. I put the pluses on the other side of the fold. 100 plus 20 plus 3. I'm going to write 100 20 and 3. 123. You can even do the picture form there. Let's put the pictures underneath it. 123. So this is how you take a number and you expand it and make it into a newer number, 123. Can't wait to see yours.